Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. Cancer, this is your love is real reading, okay? So let's go ahead and see what is in your love forecast, okay? Let us see. First of all, we always say we want love, Cancer. Cancer is a mother. The mother always have unconditional love, right? For her children, even for children that is not her own, the mother will always have unconditional love. Now, of course, the unconditional love that we have for our children is not the same love we have for our partners, because they didn't come out of our, they came in us, but they never come out, right? So yeah, Cancer, let's see. Are you ready for love? You have the Emperor. Me getting the Emperor is telling you that you're ready. Me getting arranged marriage, because me getting the Emperor. Me getting a cold, Cancer, you're colder than a bag of ice. Cancer, me getting the Emperor here. If this is not you, me getting the man who you're there with him cold, no blood clot. Me getting the man stern, cold, no kisses, no hugs. You can't even touch him in public. Me getting a man cold, no blood clot. Are you Princess Diana? Me don't know who you marry into or who you marry. I must one military man you marry. Me getting someone so cool, them not gonna touch you, them just don't intimate, them not boring, it's just them don't have, I don't know. I'm still surprised that this person still like women. I'm surprised this person is not asexual, to be very honest. Me getting your love cool, now him cool, but obviously this person is attracted to you. So obviously there must be a warm spot somewhere inside for you. Maybe is what's warm, okay? Anyways, me getting the Emperor wants you to be ready for love. Or the Emperor want you to date him. Basically, how will you meet the Emperor? The Knight of Pentacles. We're getting to meet him already. You know him for at least about a year now, or he has been watching you for about over a year now. We're getting him know you. The characteristics is a 10 of Wands. We're getting, is it that the Emperor gonna stress you the fuck out because you don't want to be with him, or because the Emperor feel like they're not good enough for you? I don't know, right? Because it doesn't matter how much money or things you have. Age will make you very insecure. The fact that you can't buy time, okay? Me getting the characteristics is a 10 of Wands. Is either the Emperor stress you out, or me getting this Emperor works a lot. Me getting them work till them back hurt them will work till them hand can't work no more. So me getting after the Emperor finish working out them body, them don't have time to attend to you, them too tired. So maybe somebody's a workaholic, they might have a business, somebody might be in construction. Me getting that Emperor work hard. Or the way how the Emperor get contracts, the contracts will last for a year, 6 months. So them on a big work site doing something every day for 6 months for 1 year. So the contracts come in. So me getting the Emperor work hard, or work a lot, or they're a workaholic, okay? If that's not it, me getting the Emperor stress you the fuck out. Oh, him going to bully you, him going to stress you the fuck. Oh, bro, you're going to be so fucking stressed. I don't know why that take up a man who's stressed this much. Anyways, what will the relationship teach you other than being stressed out? Yeah, I'm going to stress you the fuck out. I don't even think you're there with that man. I think that man like you and him have your hostage. I don't even think you're with this man. Emperor, Knight of Pentacles, 10 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles. The man gonna stress you the fuck out. Him gonna stress you. When I say stress you, him gonna bruh, I don't know what, maybe somebody's a masochist. Because the relationship will teach you as to you can do better by yourself. The relationship will teach you how to survive alone. It's gonna teach you if you don't trust nobody. It's gonna teach you that everybody around you gonna abandon you. Or it's gonna teach you that every opportunity comes with a string attached. So if it's teaching you to learn how to be homeless, me getting at the Emperor put you into homelessness. Maybe the Emperor wanted you to experience this. Maybe the Emperor was homeless at one point and he was like, oh, you have it too easy. It's time for you to experience what it's like to be homeless. Maybe somebody don't want you to achieve a certain aspiration, so they might make you homeless so you can't achieve it. You want to be a singer, you're homeless. Nobody now getting a contract, you're homeless. You don't even have an address. You want to be an actress, you're homeless. You can't even take proper photos. You're home, you don't have a place. Me getting the Emperor stressing you out. So love is real. Me getting the Emperor is in love with you. Me don't know if you did know this. Me don't know if you did ever tell you this. Maybe he told a friend to tell you, or write a fucking message and gave somebody to give you, and the people them open the blood clot envelope and read the message and never give you. I don't know what the fuck the Emperor wants from you, but all I know is he's going to stress you the fuck out. And how am I gonna stress you out? He's gonna make you homeless. He's gonna make you can't afford rent. He's gonna make you be on your toes trying to find the next meal. Him going to make you stress the fuck out where you don't have a choice but to do something to survive. So I don't know why you're staying with a man like this. I don't know why you're still married to a man like this. That's why I've been getting the sense that you're taken hostage. Because I not see you here, I not see nothing what represent love here. I see that for the last year or 2 years, the Emperor been trying to find a way to stress you the fuck out. And I guess he thinks that taking away money, housing, and resources from you going to stress you the fuck out. Sir, when last you come, you probably stressed the fuck out. Me homeless, but still can't make a man pick me up right in at the front. Right in front of the church here, so I can make a man pick me up and go over me and fuck him. Emperor, you look like you haven't come in a very long time. But me getting your love, your ideal love is to stress out this woman. You're going to stress her out till her back against the wall till she don't have another choice. Then you'll come in with love. Sir, she'll never fuck someone like you. Never. She rather men who is paying her to them. This is how it looks. Cancer, so I don't know if you're married to this man. Unfortunately, I don't know if you have kids for this man. But unfortunately, I'm just saying there's a lot of decisions you could make in life. I'm so sorry you made this decision to sleep with a man like this. I'm very, very sorry you did that, Cancer. Because I'm getting the person to have a hostage or him won't let you the fuck go. And I'm getting him no want you have anywhere for rest your head until you accept fame offer. Sweetie, I'll rest my head on a paying customer's balls. That's what the fuck I'll do. Anyways, let us go ahead and go into your other messages and we'll leave it here. So this love is not real. Me getting a man that will control you, hide money from you, stress you the fuck out and then then kick you out. That's what you're going to get from this. Yeah, meditation. That ain't real, Cancer. So if you're there with this man who flash him lifestyle in your face, his fame lifestyle on your own, there's a reason why he's 40 and single. You don't know this? Usually men in 40s are not single. There's a reason why him is 45 and him single. Yes, him have a big business. Yes, him have a nice bachelor pad. Yes, him drive a nice car. Why you can't get a girl to commit to you at 40 and you have everything together? It's because it's not about the physical aspects. It's about why them bringing and what come out of them mouth. That's why them can't get nobody loyal to them. They can walk around calling themselves a bachelor all the days of them life. You'll never get a girl loyal to you because no girl wants to deal with that. No matter how much money you have, no matter how your apartment look. Because he's the Emperor, I feel like when him said jump, you must jump. When him said move, you must move same time. And if you don't move same time, I'm going to stress you out until you do it because him have the power and the resources to make you move. You rather blood clot homeless. You rather have no money in your pocket than to be controlled by the Emperor. Because the Emperor feels like money can't buy you. Or the Emperor feels like because you're stressed the fuck out, him can dangle money in front of your face and you get up and run towards it. Sweetie, money and the root are all evil. That's why the Emperor has so much money and him still can't get a loyal. So we have meditation coming on first. We have the star card. You might be a celebrity or the Emperor is. Who the fuck well? Larceny. I am the game. We have passports and we have pictures and videos. And this could also be somebody you used to date, them thief your DM. They have you co-signing on them fucking car. Them say them ex-girlfriend car. Them tell the people them say the insurance is in them ex-girlfriend name. I'm getting you don't fuck with this nigga. Or you have something in your name. I'm getting my stress the fuck out. I'm getting as long as you're homeless, as long as you don't have anywhere to put your head, the Emperor can continue doing what he want to do. But you see, as soon as you have a place of residence, I'm getting something will get harder for him to do. Believe me, keeping that erection is hard enough for him to do. So I don't see why he wants to put more strain on that fucking balls. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye, Cancer.